monster. Can I get up? Yeah, everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Shorty's moving again. Shorty's loose with the pen. Shorty do it to win.
What's up, my fellow YouTube boys? A little update on the Civic. I didn't mention this before, but I obviously know there's something wrong with the starter motor. I started to try and remove it, but it's too cold. It's just way too cold out here where I live. Just to give you an idea, it's negative 36 degrees Celsius where I live. 36 below, man. That's not really something where I can really. I mean, like I went out there. You try to grind it out. You're talking with, like, a lot of people, when they talk about the cold, they talk about that they go outside and the cold bites their face or whatever, and they hate that feeling. Like, for me, when the cold bites on your face, like, that's kind of whatever for me. Like, that's not really a big deal. What's really a pain is, like, your appendages, man. Within 30 seconds to a minute, your appendages, your hands and your feet are just biting you. Like, your feet, they already start, like, you already start feeling those sharp pains already. So it's not really something you're able to work in, you know. So I don't know how long that car is gonna sit. As you can see, I'm obviously using someone else's car, so yeah, gotta make sure not to crash this thing, man. It's actually a nice car. Yeah, I'm about to go to a few stores, return a bunch of things, get my money back for a few things. I'm about to go back to Walmart and return this battery that y'all saw me pick up. I actually made that vlog this morning. Yeah. Alright, man, I better shut this off so I can drive properly, man. And I will be going to COPART today. I'm gonna go look at a few trucks there. Yeah, so, I think I passed it. Alright, boys. Where are we now, boys? Man, nobody's here, man. Man, I really hope I'm gonna get this car for a steal, man, cause ain't nobody wanna spend their money, man. Alright, boys, you know where we at, man. COPART. I got my battery charger with me. It's all full of juice, man. I haven't even come to this location in a while, man. But hey, man. Come around here. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try and film a better video than I filmed last time. Yeah, I've never bought a car at this location. I don't think I've ever bought a car at this location. I may have, might have not, I can't remember. See what we got. Woo! Look at these, man. Got the Navigator. Escalade EXT. Let me start this beast. If it doesn't have any battery charge, I'm not gonna use. Whew. Man, this is the kind of truck they got in, like, music videos and stuff, man.
Killer, y'all niggas dreamed it. I've seen it. Body warm, heart anemic.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. What does that remind you of, huh? Hell's that noise? Yo, this car's luxurious, man. Look at that. Got the cigarette lighter. But hey, man, this ain't what I came here for. Check engine light. That thing's on. Yeah, this thing ain't gonna start. Yeah, this the kind of car they got in music videos and stuff, man. Anyway, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for some trucks. I gotta do this in and out fast. If y'all don't follow my channel, follow me. I am here looking for some Ford F-150s. Man, look at this. Yo, I bet my man Arthur Tussick is about to go buy this thing and fix it up like that, man. Let me open up this thing, see what's going on. Oh, hell no. Airbags blown out and all that. Yeah. see what else we got. Oh, look at that, boys. Oh, nah. It's a Civic. Civic, that's an EX2. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. I forgot my gloves in the car. What is that? What's this thing right here? It's gotta be like an old Jeep or something. Yeah, that's an old Jeep. Ugh. Whew. This thing's ancient, man. Oh yeah. What is that? 34,000 miles? I don't think that even really means anything on a car this old. It's an automatic too. Yeah. Huh. Well, I'm gonna have to stop this video recording for a second and make sure I need to know where my car is actually, like which row it's in. Alright boys, I found what I'm looking for. Look at this Ford F-150 right here. Let me set this down. Yeah, look at that, man. This one is a run-and drive. 157,000 miles, man. Has a little bit of rust on the edges, but that's nothing, man. Oh, dude, that's nothing. Let me look at the brake lines. It's gonna need new tires, that's for sure. Yeah. Let me see the brake lines, though. Yeah, you don't want rusted out brake lines. So I'm in the wheel well right now. These things usually rust out. Yeah, this is not that bad. This is not bad at all. Yeah, look at that. This is the actual steel. That's the metal right there. That's not bad at all. You come around. Woo! Oh man, I'm liking this thing already, man. This thing is immaculate, man. Like for up here, man, this is immaculate, man. Jeez. Woo! Triton V8. I think it's a V8, pretty sure. I mean, I'm liking this thing already, man. Let me see how it is on the inside. Oh yeah. Dude, this is nice. I mean, the seats look like they've been pissed on or something, but besides that, yeah, like, whew. I mean, this thing is big. All right, man. Well, let me check the oil first to not be a dumbass. I don't know what that is. How do you pop the hood? Oh, this thing right here. Yeah. Okay. I wish I had a camera stand I can put this thing in. All right. Okay. I'm hyped, man. I'm hyped, man. This is a... Oh yeah, this thing's a V8, man. Where's the oil? Oh, is that the oil back there? Come on. Okay. Is that good? Oil is a bit low. That's the oil right there. So oil's a bit low, but yeah. I don't know, man. Let's see if it starts up. All right, boys, moment of truth. Oh. Oh, yeah. Why the hell is that thing shaking, man? Okay. So it's out of battery. I'm gonna go hook up the things and let's see if this thing will jump. Okay, boys. I got the batteries thingy hooked up in there. The jump starter. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, baby. Hey. Woo. Hey. Woo. Let's go, boys. Oh my goodness, man. Woo. Triton V8, baby. Woo. Yeah. XLT. Triton V8, man. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that. Oh man. That smoke is good, man. Like, look at that smoke, man. Like, no burning oil or nothing, man. If y'all haven't realized yet, it's cold. I actually had to run back to my car and get my gloves, man. But this smoke, this is just steam right there, man. This isn't like oil smoke or blown head gasket or nothing like that, man. Boy, am I happy, man. Woo! Yeah, man. Let me check that oil again, man. Oh, that's way better now. Woo! Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Check that trans fluid. That's good, man. That is good. Let me turn this thing off. Now where's the coolant? Is that it right there? Oh yeah, that's the coolant. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. It ain't leaking. Nothing, man. Oh, that's just the fans turned on. Yeah. Oh my goodness. No check engine lights or nothing. Oh yeah, we got battery. We got, is that the oil pressure? Okay, so the oil pressure is good. So I thought this thing had heated seats for a second. I was like, whoa. The brakes good? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these brakes are solid, man. Man, let me make sure the, oh, is that how the four-wheel drive works? Let me see how, oh, 4 low. Oh yeah, see, look at that, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that thing says 4 high. Okay, well, it looks like 4 low doesn't really work. I don't know if it's supposed to say 4 low when, I don't know, but the 4-wheel drive, everything works, man. I don't really know much about 4-wheel drive and all that because, you know, I'm a Honda boy, but what do we got in here? We got some bulbs. Looks like the headlight's probably out, man. Oh, got a crack in the windshield. I don't care about that. Woo! Yeah. I know all y'all Chevy boys are gonna get mad at me, but that's some bald eagles right there. Woo! Hell yeah! Dude, this thing's a beast, man. Yeah. Oh, this thing's still cold. I'm not even gonna rev it up like that. But yeah, man. Look at that. That oil pressure. That oil pressure is just what I wanted to see. Like, if any of y'all know about Fords, especially these 3 valves, you know, this is a 3 valve. The 97 to 2003, I think, is the 2 valve. This has the 3 valve engine. So the 3 valves are prone to more prone to like oil failure, like the oil pump failure and stuff like that. I mean, this truck looks like it was pretty well maintained. So yeah, 157,000 miles. I'm gonna take my battery pack off this thing, make sure it goes forward and backwards, and then we're gonna be going to some other cars. Looking at that, I mean, the battery, it works. It's I'm so happy. Let me go outside. I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna make sure if these lights work. All right. See you later.